Hello CEOs, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can perform the daily Cipher task in Hamster and earn an extra 1 million Hamster token every day. So this is a feature that Hamster team just added to enable us earn extra 1 million token per day. For this code, the only problem is that this code have to be entered in Morse code. Morse code is just a representation of the English alphabet in codes using dots and dashes. So that is the only difficulty we have here. So in order to help us get all these things done, I have already made a post and I dropped it on our YouTube channel. So if you've not seen our previous post, please I encourage you to go and see that post. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified on when next we post a video. So let's go to the task of today. So the task of today is to perform the Cipher task, and the code for Cipher yesterday was given as BTC, which is still active till 8 p.m. Nigerian time before a new code will be given. So the BTC, all you have to do is to search for this code through your YouTube channel, through other channels, your social media handles, and get the daily code for each day and perform the Cipher task to earn your extra 1 million Hamster coin. So to do this task, all you have to do is to go to the place on your screen where you are seeing N per tap. N per tap. N per tap shows you the total amount of hamster coin you gain per tap on your screen. So the total amount of hamster coin that will be given to you or awarded to you for each tap on your screen. So if you check on the top of your screen, you will see N per tap. So the first thing you have to do to perform your Cipher task is to go to the N per tap and tap on it 3 times. So I'm going to be doing mine now, so just watch my screen. So once you do that, you will see that this daily Cipher task will be activated. This daily Cipher task will be activated, and you can now see that your hamster has been surrounded with a red background, showing you that you are ready to perform the task. So how do we enter this Morse code in order to earn our extra 1 million hamster token? So the first code for BTC is B, then after B we have letter T, and after the letter T we have letter C. The previous post will help you to master the Morse code for each of the English alphabet letters. So all you have to do is to go and check that previous post and view it, like it, and learn your Morse code, and come back and perform your Cipher task for every day. So I'm going to be entering the BTC code that is still active till 8 p.m. Nigerian time. So watch my screen as I enter. So the first thing you have to do is to enter the letter B. Letter B in Morse code is actually a dash with triple dots. A dash with triple dot will give you letter B in Morse code. So I'm going to enter letter B now. We'll see dash dot dot dot. So what did I do? I held down on my screen on the hamster to get a dash. Then I tap on it 3 times to get the triple dots that I needed for letter B. So the next letter is letter T, and letter T in Morse code is just a single dash, So I'm going to hold on my screen just once to get the dash I'm looking for. So I hold the screen, and that will give me letter T. Then the last letter for BTC is letter C. So to get the letter C, I will hold down on my screen to get a dash. Then I have a dot, another dash, and a dot. That's C in Morse code is dash dot dash dot. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So watch my screen. So I do a dash, I do a dot, I do a dash, and I do another dot, and that will give me letter C. So if you see, this wizard is out confirming that the code is cracked. You are a real detective, so you can take your prize now. So once we hit on take our prize, we'll see that the 1 million, sorry, my data was turned off. The 1 million hamster token will be given to us. So it's as simple as that. So please, before you leave this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified on when next we post a video. Thank you for viewing this video.